Here we have the Aerosmith litter at 12 weeks. Hi guys. Oh, I know. You guys are so big. Look at you. Look at you. And so playful. So stinking cute. Yes. Yes. We have Janie here, right next to me. And then we got Dude. And Jade. And Angel. You ain't even looking this way, are you? And of course, Walker. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. What are you gonna do? Say hi? What you think, Jade? I think you got some big mitts there, girly. What you doing, dude? What are you doing? Angel, sweetheart, does this not interest you? Not today. Not today. Oh yeah, there we go. You're funny. You're funny. Oh, let it go. Angel. You are climbing up my back. That's not cool. No, that's not cool. You can't do that. How about that? What do you think, Mom? Ready to go. I'm here. Say hi. Like, no. What do you think, Monster Man? You've got the biggest everything. Yeah, you're not far behind, are you? Yes, yes. Angel, for real. You can't climb me. Alright guys, looks like my battery's not having this today, so guess we're gonna be done. Yes, we'll see you guys next time.